everyone. My name is Elizabeth Tapia. I go by Ellie. I am one of the presidents of BMES, and BMES stands for the Biomedical Engineering Society.
Hi, my name is Aoife. My pronouns are she, her, hers. I'm the BP external for BMES this year.
So who are we? We are an organization that is dedicated to helping everyone who's interested in biomedical engineering to develop professional and technical skills. We also aim to form a sense of community amongst all members. So this includes our incoming transfers, returning students, freshmen, and current students. We want to help develop a relationship between all of the groups that are part of our community so that they can learn from each other and grow through either our socials, having fun, our workshops, or our mentorship program and our professional events that we plan throughout the year. Now if you'll go to my next slide. Yeah, so this is all part of supporting our mission statement. And we want to emphasize especially your individuality. What are your own personal needs? So we want to go from treating everybody and trying to support their needs as a whole to how can we individualize our workshops or the way we mentor you according to your needs, your background. So for example, transfer students, I'm a transfer student. Our needs are going to be slightly different from a freshman's needs. We kind of have ourselves maybe more figured out, and maybe all we need is some guidance on how to get in touch with a professor for research opportunity or how to reach out to companies. We're here for all of that for you. So head to the next slide.
All right, so we just kind of wanted to break down some of the things that we do as part of our organization. The main thing is we try and subdivide what we do into smaller committees. So if you go to the next slide. These are 3 of our event committees. These are 3 events that we host throughout the year. So Translational Medicine Day, we learn from scientists that are bringing discoveries from the lab to the clinic. Bioengineering Day is the largest bioengineering event on campus. We have research presentations, networking. It was held for the first time virtually last spring. We had attendees from coast to coast. It was really exciting. We had alumni, professors, and industry members who are there listening to your research. So it's an excellent opportunity to network. Then lastly, we have Lab Expo. It's the largest research expo of any kind on campus. It's really interdisciplinary. They like to say that they have research from everything from arts to zoology. It's about building scientific literacy and improving communication.
Now we have 3 other committees, and these committees run throughout the whole year. And each one of them has their purpose and to serve a different side to how you want to grow. First, we have our outreach program. Our outreach program reaches out to high school and middle school kids, and we give them lab tours. We also volunteer at events such as Light the Night, which is a leukemia awareness event that's held once a year. We also help for the San Diego Festival of Science and Engineering, where we have a project set up to teach all elementary and high school students a certain lesson in either bioengineering or biology. So if you are interested in inspiring little kids to become bioengineers one day, this is the committee for you. Then there's project team. I was the chair of this committee last year. This is where you go this year if you would like to participate in workshops to develop your soft skills and your technical skills. So it could be anything from AutoCAD to MATLAB to how to give a small speech, how to give an elevator pitch. They also have their own sub-team, which is called Debut, and they focus on learning about surgical robotics. So if you're interested in that, feel free to let us know and we'll connect you to the chairs. Lastly, we also have our social committee. Our social chairs are in charge of our mentorship program, and our mentorship program is going to be especially big this year, given everything that's going on. We can't really do stuff in person, but you will be matched up. You'll be matched up with somebody who's been where you have been before to guide you. All right, next slide.
So these are some of the things that you can gain from being in BMES. We want to build your skills as an engineer. helping with mentorship, research opportunities, tips and tricks for surviving your engineering classes. And at the center of what we do is community building and service. And so we owe a lot of who we are, myself and Ellie, to UCSD. This is where I met some of my closest friends, through BMES, where I found research positions. So I think it's a really excellent opportunity if you're interested in meeting some people, gaining these skills as well.
And then our last slide is our transfer representative. This is a new position for this year. Basically, you will be working with other transfers and freshmen and incoming students to develop workshops that you guys need to adjust, and forming connections with professors. So that's all on our next slide. So if you're interested, please do contact us. We look forward to hearing what your view is for how to help BMES and anybody interested in bioengineering adjust. Thank you.